I am putting those little daily forecast things in the Trade Faction channel.
Yes.
Yeah, if you want to know what I think is going to happen today, join the free Trade Faction and it'll be there.
Forex Morning Mayhem is a must-listen podcast for currency traders. Get a curated watch list, insightful market analysis, and crucial news updates, plus trading tips for all levels. But remember, it's educational, not investment advice. Scan the QR code in the description to join our free Trade Faction Slack channel for live trade calls. If you like the podcast, please follow and share. Let's get started.
Good morning. It's September 16th, 2025, and this is Forex Morning Mayhem. Let's see what's happening in the news today. A U.S. court blocked Trump's bid to oust Fed Governor Cook, while the Senate narrowly confirmed his nominee, Moran. European stocks slipped after a flat open, U.S. futures firmed slightly, and NVDA was steady on tepid chip demand. The DXY stays soft ahead of the FOMC. Treasuries flat into retail sales. Bunds weaker post-ZEW. Crude eased on sanctions delay. And gold hit a new ATH, with focus on today's US and Canadian data. If you find this podcast useful, please like and subscribe to the show. If you are new to trading, check out the Trade Faction, a totally free resource where you can watch our trades live. Also, don't forget to download our new Forex AI Sage app in the Apple App Store to use the latest in agentic AI to help you trade. Now, let's join Bill and Dave for today's show.
The Aussie US dollar. Here I am in this trade actually. So what has happened is we've been bouncing around between these two areas here, and I've been in this since last night. Hasn't really gone anywhere. I have my profit target way down here. I'm viewing this as sort of a support area. I think it's going to break through this area, although twice now it's hit it and then volume spikes to the upside. I may change this, just the cosmetics of this signal. I might just color the bar a different color.
Okay.
When I get too much on a screen, it starts to bug me because
Oh, with the little chevrons or whatever.
I can see the little triangles here. That is a penetration into either support or resistance is detected by the AI. And then this is just a volume spike. I think it's 8 o'clock. Maybe if I just color the bar, that'll do the trick. I don't really need to know where it is, if that makes sense. Anyway, so what I think is going to happen is I think we're going to test this a few more times, and then hopefully we'll drop down to here. And I might move this up to here, which is the low of the Tokyo session a day or two ago.
Yeah.
Because as you can see, these kind of line up here. That was the Tokyo session low from last night. So that's what's going on that.
Gotcha.
All right, next one. US Canadian dollar. So here is US Canadian dollar. And this looks like it's been stair-stepping down since last week. Right now, we hit a little area here of support and then immediately had a volume spike. That was on news, it looks like. Yeah, that was on the news on 7:30. So it came down all the way to this support.
Are you an active trader looking to elevate your trading skills? We invite you to join the Trade Faction, a community where you can witness trades called out live. To connect with fellow traders and gain real-time insights, simply click the link in the description or scan the QR code to join our free Slack channel. This is a great opportunity to enhance your trading strategies and stay ahead of the market. Also, don't forget to download our new Forex AI Sage app in the Apple App Store to use the latest in agentic AI to help you trade. So what are you waiting for? Click that link or scan the QR code now and download the app today.
Level, now it's starting to bounce up. And that would be my guess for today for that is price will continue to go up until it finds some overhead resistance. There's a bunch of it. There's some here. There's some here, there. So anywhere in this range, it could come up to, and I think that's what it's going to do today. Oh, also, I just wanted to mention that I am putting those little daily forecast things in the Trade Faction channel.
Yes.
Yeah, if you want to know what I think is going to happen today, join the free Trade Faction and it'll be there.
Okay.
Anyway, here's US Chief and pretty much the same things. It's been a stair step down. And once we entered in this area of support, we got some volume spike. We got a signal that it entered into the support. So my prediction for this is that it will go up until it hits overhead resistance. And there's a couple areas. There's one there, there's one there, and there's a big one way up here. So anywhere in this box, it could go today from here, whoosh, that way. So that's what's going on with that. And then pound to US dollar is the reverse kind of everything else. So we've been stair stepping up to overhead resistance here. We did get a volume spike right there. And now we're just skipping along the ceiling. But I would suspect price is going to go down from here and we'll stop at one of these areas. Here's a previous overhead resistance, which becomes support. Then the next one's down here, and then finally down here. So you got this big ass box here where price might go. So I would say, let's say it goes halfway. So it goes somewhere around here. Okay.
Sounds about right.
And that is all she wrote for today. Over and out from Bill.
All right.